this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot investing.com app. So if you're receiving a lot of challenges with your app, maybe the app is not responding or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve this for once and for all. Now, if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your app and fix all problems or errors that are related to this app. Now, in the first method, we are going to access the app information page for us to troubleshoot it. Now, there are two ways you can access the app information page on your smartphone. In the first method, go ahead and look for settings. And here is my settings, and then tap on it to open. From here, scroll down until you see the option called apps. And if I scroll down, my apps is here. I'll tap on it and then open. So go to this option called manage apps. This will depend on your smartphone. I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So if you go ahead and tap on manage apps, on some smartphone, it might be written all apps. This will go ahead and open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Then scroll down and look for your app. And as you can see, our app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. From this now, you can see the app information page is open. And this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. However, if you found it hard to get to this page, or if this was a long process, then let me show you a shortcut. In the shortcut method, instead of following all those steps, just go ahead and look for the app and then long press on it. And you can see we have this option called app info. So if you tap on app info, it will take you again to the same page. So you can use that shortcut method to get here. Now from here, what we need to do is to go ahead and clear all the app data. Now if you go to storage here and then tap on storage, you can see we have quite a number or a lot of cache data and also user data. Now this is one of the reasons why your app likely is not working. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and clear cache data on this app. To do so, just head down here and then tap on clear data. And from here, you can see we have clear all data and clear cache. For our case, we shall choose the last option, which is clear cache, and then tap on it. So when you talk of cache, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, sometimes they might result in your app not working or malfunctioning. So we shall proceed and tap on OK, and this will go on and clear all the cache data that was on the app. Now go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening the app. At this point now, your app should be up and running. However, if the app is not running or if the app is not functioning, then you might need to go ahead and clear all the data. To clear all the data, just head down here and then tap on clear all data, and then this will go ahead and clear all the database or the login details, and you'll have to log in afresh, and then your app now should be up and running well. However, if all these steps didn't solve the problem, then you might need to go and try the third and the last method to troubleshoot your app. For this, you'll need to go ahead and look for Play Store and then tap on it. And then from Play Store, go ahead and tap on search and then search for your app. And as you can see, our app is here. So if I go ahead and tap on investing.com app, you can see it will go ahead and open the app details. So from here, go ahead and look for any update option if it is available. So one of the reasons your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version that is full of bugs and unsecure. So go ahead and update the app, and then this will go ahead and install the latest version of this app on your smartphone. And from here, you can proceed and open. So by following any of the three methods, you should be able to get your app and running smoothly without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.